Hello everyone, welcome to another week of Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. This week we are starting asking for locations, trip, journeys. Let's see how I can help you there. The word is tercüme. Tercüme. Tercüme is translation, interpretation language-wise, or rendering the text. Let's use this in some phrases. Accurate translation, live interpretation, poetic rendering. Let's see what do they sound like in Azerbaijani. Dəqiq TƏRCÜMÄ, accurate translation. Canlı TERCÜMÄ, live interpretation. Same goes for broadcasting live, it's still called canlı. Bədii TERCÜMÄ, poetic rendering. Now let's use these in some sentences. Bu mətn üçün dəqiq tərcümə lazımdır. An accurate translation is needed for this text. Bu mətn, this text. Bu mətn üçün, for this text. Dəqiq, accurate. Lazımdır is needed. Lazım, need, lazımdır is needed. Bu mətn üçün dəqiq tərcümə lazımdır. Let's see another sentence. Bu kanalın adı Günün sözü olsa da biz sizinlə hər gün en azı 5 sözün tərcüməsini öyrənirik. This is something about this channel. Let's see. Although the name of this channel is Word of the Day, every day we learn the translation of at least 5 words with you. Let's break it down. Günün sözü, Word of the Day. Bu kanalın adı, the name of this channel. Olsa da, although, biz sizinlə, biz us, sizinlə with you, together means her gün, every day. Remember? Bugün, today, her gün, every day. En azı, minimum, at least. 5 sözün for 5 words. TERCÜMEsini, the translation for 5 words means, or the translation of at least 5 words. Öyrənirik, we learn. Alright? Now that was today's word tercüme. I know it's a lot, but you don't have to use it in full Azerbaijani sentence. It can be something like some words and actions don't need any tercüme. You just know what they mean. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. Cheers.